again, and today's video is going to be my good old series of me trying out weird beauty hacks. I have not done this video for quite some time, I know guys, but today I am in full-fledged excitement in trying out this particular video, this particular recipe. First of all, I love coffee. I love the smell of coffee. I do not drink coffee very often. I know that is a TMI. This was really interesting to hear, like how can you dye your hair using coffee. So I wanted to try this out. First of all, this is not a weird beauty hack. I feel this is just a DIY kind of thing, but I really do not trust that I can, dye my hair in one day using this particular thing, because as you can see, I have color treated my hair and I have bleached my hair. I'm going to try it out with you guys and show you the results, whether this is actually working or not, this is a yes from me or not. So if you are interested to watch this video, please keep on watching. But before that guys, if you're someone new to my channel, if you're seeing this face for the first time, please hit that subscribe button and also do not forget to hit that bell icon so that you will be notified whenever I upload a new video. I upload one video every week, and if you want to follow me on my social media platforms, do follow me on my Instagram, and other social media platforms will be down below in the description box as well. And if you are interested in fun videos of me and you have a TikTok profile, please go ahead and follow me on TikTok. So without any further delay, let's get into the video. First of all, excuse my face without makeup. I have a little bit of breakout kind of thing going on, so I am refraining from putting up any foundation and clogging my pores right now. So I think I look presentable for this video. Yeah, so talking about this particular hack, I have heard a lot of things about coffee and the uses of coffee for benefit of hair, and also I've heard that it is great dyeing agent for your hair, especially for grey hair. I do not have any grey hair as of now, but I do have my bleached hair over here. I will be inserting the proper clip of my hair. First of all, if you see, my hair has lost all its color, previous color. You can see it looks a little bit brassy. I didn't like the look of my hair. So if you have seen my hair update video, you know that my hair is literally damaged to a greater extent, and I do not want to damage it by applying more chemical products to dye my hair or color my hair. And also I do not want to use henna to color my hair, because I personally feel that it has a tendency to rip off the moisture from my hair. So this is how my hair looks like, and this kind of look I am not a fan of. I'm not a fan of my brassy hair, because as you can see, this part is a little bit brassy and the other part looks okayish. It looks dead to me without any serum. If you want to see this kind of videos in future, please hit that like button down below and let me know. First of all, the original reference video will be linked down below in the description box for the reason of giving credit. It had around 3 million views and I saw a lot of positive feedback under her video. We need a good clean bowl and a spoon for stirring purpose. It requires only 2 ingredients. The first one is a conditioner. For conditioner, I am using my Herbal Essence Bio Strength Whipped Cocoa Butter Conditioner. So this is what I'm going to use as a base. And the second ingredient is very important, and it's a very known ingredient. It's nothing but coffee. So in the video she had mentioned that you can use instant coffee, or you can also ground your coffee beans and use it. But I personally prefer instant coffee. So I have 3 sachets of brew here. I'm not sure how much gram each sachet consists of, but I'm going to add one more ingredient here because my hair is extra dry. I do not want to take any kind of risk. I'm adding a bit of hair mask for moisture, and I'm adding the Plum Mega Moisturizing Hair Mask for chemically treated hair. This is their olive and macadamia variant. So yeah, so these are the 3 ingredients I'm using. She did not use hair mask in her video. She just used a conditioner and coffee. But I'm going to do this extra step for my hair. granules are dissolved. This is similar to the process of making a cappuccino. You need to beat this mixture for around 10 minutes. It has a beautiful brown shade. It's really smelling very delicious. So now that our mixture is ready, let's apply to our hair. I'm going to apply this mixture to all of my hair. I'm not going to apply to my scalp. First of all, this product, what she suggested is to use it twice for a good result. So in the video, if you see, she has demonstrated it once and she has shown some results. The color was really good, so I am expecting the same in the first wash. And also she mentioned that we are not supposed to shampoo this thing. I have already removed all the tangles from my hair. Brush your hair properly and remove all the tangles. Make sure that you are wearing an old t-shirt when you are doing this process, because I am afraid that it might stain my dress. So I am wearing a really old t-shirt of mine. See, now my hand is completely stained brown right now, and I hope it doesn't stain my skin over here. Let's see, let's hope it doesn't stain our skin. Yeah, so what she has told is tie your hair like that and wrap it with a shower cap. But I have a very beautiful baby pink shower cap which I bought from MINISO. I do not want to really stain that thing, so I'm not gonna wear any kind of shower cap here. I'm gonna keep it like this. She suggested to keep it for at least 45 minutes to an hour to see the results. So I'm gonna try and keep this conditioner on my hair for an hour and then go ahead and wash my hair without any shampoo. So my hair is dried from yesterday's wash. I couldn't show you yesterday because there were no enough light. So what I observed is if you don't wash your hair with shampoo, I feel that it weighs down your hair a lot. It makes your hair very smooth, but the problem is after maybe a day you can feel that your hair is getting greasy, which is not a good feeling according to me. So if you see my hair right now, you can see a light tint. This is the black part where I haven't bleached my hair. So if you see, you can see a very faint tint of brown. Other than that, it did not do much to my length as well. It has darkened my hair length a bit, very small amount. Maybe I should add more of coffee powder, and then you have to see the difference. So what I am going to do right now is I'm going to wash my hair with shampoo first. When my hair is semi-dry, I'm going to apply that mixture once again and see whether it gives me any kind of color. I'm back, guys, and it's already 4:26. So this is how my hair looks right now. As you can see, I have kept this particular pack for almost 1 hour as instructed by her. I think this has given me a little bit of brownish sheen or tint, but not dye my hair. It did not dye my hair. As you can clearly see my bleached part, you can see that it has deepened the brown shade in the bleached part. It's like a tint, guys. It's not a hair dye according to me. And if you have a dark black hair and if you use this, I don't think you will see vast difference because it's gonna just give that brownish tint, and which is visible especially when you go outside in the sunlight. Right now it's too cloudy in Chennai and it's raining outside, so I couldn't show you that in the sunlight. So this is my black hair. As you can see, it gives you that light brown tint and nothing much, whereas to the bleached hair, it has deepened my bleached hair and It's given a good color to my hair. And I also personally think that we have to keep it more than an hour so to see a proper color change. I will try that out for sure, but not this time. I'll try it out for sure and I'll update you on my Instagram. So if you're not following me on my Instagram page, please go ahead and follow me over there for more updates. So that's it for today's video, guys. I hope you have loved this video and I hope you like this series. I have a playlist of me trying out weird beauty hacks already, so I will link that down below in the description box for you as well. You can enjoy watching those. See you on my next video, guys, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button right now and support me, guys. So also, if you find this video interesting, please feel free to share this video to your friends and family. So see you on my next video, guys. Until then, take care. Bye.